healthy and happy and enjoying our online classes. So today we will continue, we will discuss chapter 4, that is the articles. Okay. So let's continue the video. Sorry. Okay. So students, articles, we know very well the words a and the. These three words a and the, these three words are called article. Is that clear? Okay, let's see. Next point, articles are of two types. Is that clear? Suppose that someone asks to you how many types of article, so you will reply how many types? Two types. Okay, that's good. Two types. The first one, definite article, and the second one, indefinite articles. Is that clear? Indefinite article, we put the, and the indefinite articles, we put a and. Okay? Is that clear? A and an are known as indefinite article, while the is known as definite article. The reason is behind this, why we call the definite article and a and called indefinite article. The reason we have. Just see, actually the is called definite article because the refers to any specific person or thing. Is it clear? We use article the as definite because the is used to refer any specific person or thing. Is it clear? Okay, suppose that I am asking, give me the pen. Okay, give me the pen. Suppose that I have 3 marker. Okay, and you want red marker, then you will call. Okay, you will call, give me the red marker. Is it clear? So that is why. Okay, that is why the is the make the person and thing specific in itself, while a and an is indefinite because they refer to person or thing in a general sense. Okay, suppose that I call a question, there is a boy. Which boy? We don't have any specific idea about the person, so that is why a boy, that is indefinite. Okay, that is why we use a and before the noun that is not specific, that is not particular in itself. Is it clear? Okay. Now we have to study the uses of definite article and the uses of indefinite articles. Okay. So very first we will start indefinite article because it is not longer, it is short. Okay. While the concept and uses of definite articles are broad in itself. So we will continue indefinite article today, and in the next video we will discuss definite article. Okay. So let's continue indefinite articles. The use of indefinite articles. Okay, let's see. Very first, I would like to tell you where we use indefinite articles. Okay, let's see. So we have a point, a and an are used before singular countable nouns. Point this. Okay, notice here we use article indefinite where before the singular countable nouns. Okay, let's see example. A car. Just see, car is a singular countable noun, so we can use here a. Okay, that is why the sentence is correct. A car. A boy. Boy is also singular countable noun. That is why a is correct here. And European. So European also. Okay, a singular countable noun. Okay. That is why here an is used. Okay, but suppose that a car, just see, car is countable, but here car is not singular. Car is here plural. That is why the use of a is wrong in itself. We cannot use here a. Okay, just see more example. Water. Water is not. This is a uncountable. Water is an uncountable noun. That is why A is not correct. Okay. An advice. Advice is an uncountable noun. That is why N is not correct. Is it clear? Okay. Now see the next points about the article A and N. The article A is used before the nouns that start with a consonant sound. Is it clear? I mean to say A and N both give the same meaning. Both give the same sense and same meaning, but both of them are different in uses. A is used before those nouns that start with a consonant sound, while N is used before those nouns that start with a vowel sound. Is that clear? Just example, man. The first letter of the word man, okay, is not a vowel sound. That is a consonant sound. That is why we use here A. Okay. Doctor. The first letter of the noun doctor is not a vowel. It is a consonant sound. That is why we use A. A lady. Lady is not a vowel sound. That is a consonant sound. That is why we use A. Okay. Now see the given example. An honest farmer. Honest give a vowel sound. The word honest give a vowel sound. That is why N is a correct. European country. European is a word that give vowel sound. That is why N is a correct. And university student. Just see, university is the word that give the vowel sound. That is why N is correct. And MBA student. Here MBA, the word MBA, okay, give vowel sound. That is why, okay, N is correct. Is it clear? So I hope you have understood very well the difference between A and N. A is used with the consonant sound while N is used with the vowel sound. Okay. So in the next video we will continue, okay, the uses of indefinite articles. So till then watch the video, make a proper note and enjoy. Okay. If you have any problem, you can leave a message in the comment box. Okay. So note down these points. Okay.